Hello, today's authoring tool that I will be exploring is Lectora Online. It's really simple to get started. They offer a 30-day free trial. You just have to type in some information and they send you a login and password, and that's how you get started. So when you first sign up, it will bring you to a page like this, and you have to create your first title. So I already created one. I'm just going to create a new one to show you. I'm just going to do a blank one, so you can choose different titles that you want. Oops. I'm just going to do blank. I'll title it Sample. When you are done, you just hit OK. I already have one titled that. I'm just going to title it something different. Okay. And then it brings you to this blank page to go ahead and get started. So there's a lot of different features to Lectora Online. There's the first feature is this file feature, and that's how you go, that's where you go to create a new one, or you can go to your existing titles, you can save it, you can print it. That's what that feature is. This feature is how you basically create your title. This design tool is how you kind of can create it, add color, make it fun. You can change the page size. So if you wanted to add a theme, you can. I'll just choose a random one. Sorry, my computer's being a little slow today. Okay, so now I have my theme. And you can add text, and to add it, you just keep on clicking, and then you can add whatever you would like. I'll just type in sample page. You can edit the course title if you would like. And then let's say you wanted to add a new page. You just go home and you hit page, and it adds a second page for you. That's what that tool is. So we talked about the design features. This insert tab is really awesome because you can insert images, and if you look over here, they do have a library. They have a media library and library objects. They have resources. So you can choose images from Lectora Online that they provide. You can insert a character, lines, and shapes. Something great also is that you can insert audio and video. You can also insert videos from YouTube if you need to. So these are a bunch of other extra tools. They just came out with a new social media tool. So that's that. Tests and surveys. You can insert tests if you want, questions, surveys. You can insert a form. There's all these different tools that you can use. I'm just going over this quickly. These are more tools, notes, if you wanted to add a note. And then for the view tool, this is, so right now I'm on edit, so you can edit your title, or you can hit run, and if you click on run, it just kind of gives you a layout of what it's going to look like. So this is basically like an overview, or you can hit preview published page, and you can click on that to kind of get an idea of what it's going to look like when you actually are through with it. And then if you want to go back to editing, you just have to click edit again. So those are just some of the functionalities and features. I think that this is very helpful and it's a very easy tool to use for designing these resources. It's very simple. It kind of reminds me of like a Word document with the way that it's set up, which I'm very familiar with. So I just really like the way that they have it set up, how they have the home, design, insert. It's very easy to read and figure out. You can also like click and drag to switch things around. It's not working right now. There. So if you wanted to move things around, you can. So again, this is a really great tool. It's a Lectora online. And that will conclude our exploration for today. Thank you.